In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct project or website area. This is where you'll manage your site and access the tools needed to build and customize your content. From the main dashboard, click on Website. This will take you to the section where your site is listed and where you can access the builder. If you have more than one website, simply choose the one you want to work on. Make sure you select the right site before moving forward, especially if you're creating content for a specific brand or business. Next, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can visually make changes to your pages and use built-in features to add new content. The builder is designed to be beginner-friendly, so even if this is your first time creating a blog post, the process is very straightforward. Once the editor loads, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find different settings and tools for your website. From there, click on AI Tools. Inside that section, select AI Blog Generator. This tool helps you create blog content quickly by turning a few simple inputs into a full draft. Now you'll be asked to choose a tone of voice, the length of the content, and a blog description. The tone of voice helps shape how the article sounds, whether you want it to feel professional, friendly, informative, or more casual. The length setting determines how detailed the blog post will be, so choose the option that best fits your audience and your content goals. Then, in the blog description field, clearly explain what you want the article to be about. The more precise your description is, the more useful the generated result is likely to be. After filling everything in, click Create Content and wait patiently while the tool generates your blog post. Depending on the length and complexity, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish. Once the content is ready, read through it carefully and review everything before publishing. This is an important step because it allows you to check the structure, wording, and overall accuracy. Feel free to customize everything so the post matches your style, your message, and your website. And that's how to create a blog in Hostinger Website Builder.